Tea tree oil is a best choice for treating acne because of its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Tea oil calm redness, swelling, and inflammation, help to prevent and reduce acne scars, leaving you with smooth, clear skin. Hydrogen peroxide is majorly used for skin lightening and acne. It also acts as a disinfectant and antiseptic for the skin to prevent any infection. You will need your facial cleanser, a towel, 5 drops tea tree oil, 1 teaspoon 0.3% hydrogen peroxide, a plastic or glass bowl. Method 1. Wash your face with a facial cleanser and dry with towel. 2. Now add 5 drops of tea tree oil in 1 teaspoon hydrogen peroxide in a bowl and mix it well. 3. Apply this mixture onto the affected areas. Do not apply it near your eyes. 4. Leave it on for about 5 minutes. 5. Rinse your face with cold water. Repeat this 1 to 2 times in a week. Why this works. Tea tree oil is used to treat acne because of its powerful antibacterial properties. This mixture is quite potent, so ensure that you do not use it more than twice a week. When used correctly, you will start noticing positive results right from the first use.